All right, so I'm back. Made a purchase on something out here. It's been sitting here for a couple of years, and yeah, a buddy of mine pointed it out. I've been trying to, okay, so bottom line, I've been trying to get another project car because I bought me a new 2018 GTI, but I don't really want to do a whole lot of work onto it because it has warranty and everything. I want to keep that. And so we're looking at Hondas, and I just couldn't find anything decent because, you know, most of them are kind of beat up and scratched up. Well, I found something. It's been sitting here for about 8 years now. And we tested it out, has good compression. Where you running, dude? Don't be running off now. Sorry, buddy's little nephew keeping up with. Anyway, so what we did, we went ahead. Well, right now I got a new key made because the guy lost the key. And unfortunately, it's not working in the ignition switch. So what we're trying to do right now is drill it out. But bottom line, it's been sitting here for like 8 years. We're gonna have to drain the gas out of it. But yeah, it fires up and everything, has good compression, it's perfect. We're just trying to make it run so we can take it to the house right now. Not really make it run, just get the cylinder, you know, the steering wheel to be able to turn so we can make it to where we need to go. But this is what it looks like. It looks pretty freaking good, man. I tell you. Look at that. 1990 EF hatch. The body is straight. Don't let this paint fool you. The interior is kind of shot though. It needs a real good clean. But I got it for a steel. Yeah, as you see, we're working on it. But yeah, check it out. And then you got that. That's what it looks like. It is filthy. I'm telling you, it's been here for 8 years sitting underneath the tree. But we got all the tires aired up right now. And believe it or not, they hold air. Check this out too. Good freaking tread on them. Look at that. Well, not too bad. Looks pretty good for the most part. We got them all aired up. We need to air them up a little bit more. But right now, we don't have anywhere to like air up my tank, my compressor, because it's tiny. So we're having to walk all the way over there. And that's kind of a nuisance. But yeah, the owner was cutting grass and he busted out the rear windshield so we can get one of them. But yeah, man, it runs here. Let me pop the hood. Let's see what it looks like underneath there. Tell me when last time you seen something like this. This freaking stock. Look at it. With some TLC, this is gonna look sweet. A lot to come. Oh, there's a downfall with this thing, by the way. Auto tragic. But it's all good. Apparently, people have been living in this thing, man. Look at that. It's a mess. I don't know what you would call this. I wouldn't call it a junkyard find. Oh, no. But it's pretty sweet. Don't be driving their cars in there, man. Leave that alone. Having to constantly watch over that little dude. But more to come. Ryan ran off right now to go get some more tools so we can try to take the steering wheel column out so we can drill out the ignition switch right now. But this is it, man. When I bought it, it didn't have like that cover on top of it. I just kind of put it on there because I knew it was going to rain. I didn't want any rain getting into it, even though it's been raining in it for years now. But I don't want it raining in it anymore now that I own it. But yeah, clean title, Canadian car, although also. And yeah, you can see how tiny that compressor is over there. But man, this is going to be stoked. I've never been so excited to have a Honda or just like another project car. Like, I'm just stoked to work on this thing. So stay tuned. Gonna be a ton of updates on this. And buddy Ron, he's selling his Challenger tomorrow, so we're gonna get some more parts in for the Corolla, get the swap done, do the rear end because it needs some work on that too still. But more things to come, so just like stay tuned, be patient because I work a lot. I'm working on a budget. Despite buying like 2 new cars, like I don't have a whole ton of money to just like throw into it. But it's gonna be a fun little bit. All right, Ron and I, we finally moved the car out the way out of its grave and sitting out front of this old gas station now until Joe gets back, pick up a little turd here and haul it over to the house. But this is what it looks like right now. All right, there it is. It is filthy. It's finally. Well, all right then, man. Phew. All right, this is it. First time it's moved in 8 years. And yeah, there you go. There's a new ride. Take a look at that. 2018 Mark 7.5. That's it. But yeah, that's the new daily. This is the project car. Yeah, boy, it runs. Yeah, she's just a purring. Get all that garbage out of it. Yeah. All right, that is basically the end of the video for time being. As of right now, some things I did not capture into it. I was able to pick up a back glass for it. As you see, it's busted in the video. I got some seats for it. I got new spark plugs for it. NGK, I think, maybe Iridium or Platinum. I can't remember, but it is like not the copper Autolite brand. So we got that, spark plug seals. I think I'm already mentioned this. We got it washed up, so it actually looks like a white car now. I just didn't capture any of that. I'll get some videos of that later on today, and also we'll be installing a new water pump on it because apparently you put coolant in a thing and it just rushes right back out. So I guess it's coming out the weep holes. So I gotta pick up another water pump today, and luckily AutoZone has one in stock, so I'll do that later on. Sorry I sound like crap. I think I'm coming down or something. So I'm right now eating a little, nasty cough drop. But yeah, that's it for time being. Just like be patient. There'll be like more coming on pretty soon. Little updates. Hopefully things get a little bit better, because right now I'm just kind of like, editing stuff just to get it off my phone for time being and have still some content out there. But yeah, we're done for time being. Say bye.
Bye.
Yeah, see you guys.